Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Kukai Passcode. Kukai Passcode is a popular, secure and easy to use wallet by the Tezos blockchain. It allows you to store, send and receive XTZ tokens and NFTs all directly in your browser without installing heavy software. And it is trusted by thousands of users worldwide for maintaining their digital assets safely. Setting a passcode adds an extra layer of protection so that even if someone gets access to your device, they won't be able to open your wallet. So to get started, you need to open to your Kukai Wallet in a browser, or you can open to your Kukai Wallet in your phone. Over here, always make sure you are on the official site and open it with your Face ID or your passcode. And once you reach into this interface of your Kukai Wallet, what you can do is in the top left, there's a three-line icon. Select to this three-line icon, and once you reach into this three-line icon over here, just below the setting, we can find the security. Select to this security. So here we can find this Face ID, Kukai Passcode, backup or the reset. Simply tap on this Kukai Passcode. Here you need to enter your Kukai Passcode and again type down the Kukai Passcode to create Kukai Passcode. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy wallet tutorial. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.